Hi, I'm Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a sort of first impressions quick little thing on the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in Amethyst. Um, so let's get to it. Let's turn on my little camera light here so you guys can see me a little better. There's not really any good base shades. So I'm just going to go right in with a transition shade because it's not like I really show my base shades very much anyways. So I'm going to start off with this one up here as my little transition shade. You know, I gotta get my good lighting because I don't have any sort of studio or beauty room right now, which my husband and I are slowly working towards, but it is moving at a glacial pace, like I say in every video so far. For my crease, I'm going to be going in with this one right here. Oh, that's why that was seeming a little foggy. There's a protector on this mirror. That's better. Okay, time to blend. I think I'm actually going to take some of this pink color over here with my blending brush and blend it up into the top of my look because I want to use that purple in my actual lid. Oh wow, that is brighter than I thought. Okay. So I'm going to lay down this purple color that I started off with my transition shade on all over my lid, on flat, or the main part of my lid here, as a base for whatever shimmer shade I put on top of it. I'm also going to take my fluffier crease brush, put some more of that darker color into my crease. I think I'm going to start with this color, this one right here, and then maybe change colors as I go in on my under my eye. This is definitely a way different tone of purple than the rest. Then I think I'm gonna take it in with this one right here, right below it. And I think I like that for underneath my eye. So then it's time to choose what shimmer shade I want to do on my lid. I want to go light and duochrome, or do I want to go dark, or do I want to go middle and duochrome? I'm going to go all over the lid with middle and duochrome and do like a highlight of light and duochrome on top. So middle and duochrome is the one right smack dab in the middle there. This might just be a topper shade. You know, I think that is just a topper shade. So, or topper glitter. But I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna try it, at least on this one eye. I'm gonna see how this goes. Oh no, there's pigment there. But I'm glad I laid down a base. Maybe it's how I'm using it, but there's a lot of fallout coming from this shade. Like, I can feel it falling down my face. But I think it's just because there's such large glitter chunks in it. Then to highlight that, I just sprayed a ass load of Fix Plus on my brush on accident. I'm going to be going in with this really light shade down in the bottom middle right here. It's got kind of a duochrome effect to it. It looks like a light pink, but it shifts to like a pink. I'm going to put that right in the middle. Okay, before I do any eyeliner or anything, I'm going to show y'all this look. I don't know if the camera light. I don't know what helps. I'm using my e.l.f. selfie light here to try to get some good light on there. Then I'm going to take, for eyeliner, I'm going to take my Jessie's Girl. This is almost gone. Really close to being gone. So it might not work. But we're going to try. Okay, Rachel, it's fine. Stop messing with your eyeliner. Okay. I think this is a look where I want to go dark in my waterline. So I'm taking my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Purple Velvet. It's kind of squished at the top. I tried to squish it back, but it should be fine anyways. Okay, for mascara, I'm trying the Lancome definicils. I cannot say it. I do not speak French. It's like their most popular mascara, I think. Although when you look at it on the brush, it looks awfully gray or blue. I'm vetoing this right now. This is not working for me. We're going in with Gifted. Okay. Yeah, I did not like that Lancome one whatsoever. It was doing weird things on my lashes that I did not like. And if you've noticed, my nails, girl really needs a fill. I know. I'm going this week. All right, and I'm going to go in with my Becca Light Chaser Highlighter in Rose Quartz Flashes Seashell. For my highlight, this flipped view in my monitor. Ooh, that's a lot. It's really throwing me off. Oh, she cute. She cute. It's a really pretty pink. I love it. Okay. And I'm going in with lips without primer, even though it tends to not go well for me, because I'm going to be taking it off right away. So I'm using the Ciate London Glitter Flip, the purple one. Even though this is a really pretty eye look, I'm going to be putting on some purple sparkly lipstick, and it's going to also be really pretty. So it's not a classic color, but that's fine. Alright, I am not loving this doe foot applicator. It's a little fuzzy for what I'm doing. I think this is one where you're supposed to like rub your lips together or like do that to like, ooh yeah. Oh, that could just be because I had highlighter on my finger. But I think the friction like really activates the glitter. Some of Jeffrey's do that too. I'm gonna let that dry down a little bit. And then I'm gonna put on my Too Faced metallic, melted metallic glitter transformer. Because why not? That is cool. Okay, I'm digging that. Very alien-like. The only thing is that it was kind of picking up the lipstick. It could have just been because I didn't let it dry down long enough, but it was picking up the lipstick a little bit. It was moving it around. Um, I was able to kind of like put it back in place by putting my lips back together, which is kind of weird, but hey, whatever. So, here's my finished look. Look at my lips. Highlight. I think it'll be better without that light. Yeah. So yeah, there's that. Thanks for watching my channel. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to English is hard. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.